ZSU-23-4 Shilka is considered the pinnacle of the Soviet defense industry, was officially put into service in 1962. The appearance of the self-propelled air defense complex ZSU-23-4 Shilka at that time created a revolution in the Soviet air defense capabilities. Currently, Russia has upgraded this air defense complex to the ZSU-23-4 M4 or M5 standard to help increase the probability of destroying the target. Russia's ZSU-23-4 Shilka also present on the Ukrainian battlefield. Although not the most advanced weapon of this day, with a maximum rate of fire of up to 4,000 rounds per minute, Shilka still has a certain place in low-altitude air defense and urban warfare. Around 2,500 ZSU-23-4s of the total 6,500 produced were exported to 23 countries. The Warsaw Pact successor state continue to manufacture and supply variants of the ZSU-23-4, notably the Ukrainian Donetsk and Polish Biela variants. The armament of the complex consists of the 23mm quad automatic anti-aircraft cannon AZP-23 armor and a system of power trays designed for targeting. The second component of the complex is the radar instrument complex RPK-2M for guidance and fire control. Shilka can work both with radar and with conventional optical sight aiming device. Locator provides search, detection, automatic tracking of the target, determines its coordinates. The air defense system is mounted on a GM575 track chassis, using parts from the PT-76 light amphibious tank. The engine and the transmission are at the rear of the hull, as is the DG4M1 gas turbine, coupled to a manual gearbox with 5 forwards and 1 reverse gears. The torsion-less suspension system consists of 6 single rubber tire road wheels with the idler at the front and the drive sprocket at the rear. There are no track return rollers. Thin armor of the ZSU-23-4 provides only limited protection against small arms fire and artillery shell splinters. Vehicle is fitted with NBC protection system. The crew of 4 people, the commander, the operator, the range operator, and the driver. The guns and ammunition are in the forward part of the turret and separated from the crew by a gas tide and armor burhead. The ZSU-23-4 Shilka can engage targets using only 1 or 2 of the 4 cannons. The ZSU-23-4 proved highly effective during the 1973 Middle East War and accounted for a large number of Israeli aircraft losses. The ZSU-23-4 was also used in both North and South Vietnam and the Arabian Gulf War by the Iranian and Iraqis. The ZSU-23 M4 upgrade program aims to improve combat performance, coordination, and living conditions of the crew. ZSU-23-4 M4 was replaced with a new aiming radar, new modern digital computer. The new version can also be fitted 2 Strelets 23 launchers carrying 4 Igla missiles, increasing the combat range of the system to 5 km, 3.5 km altitude with very high accuracy.